Look who's out on the Beamer today. He switched out the Yamaha VMAX for Gabby's Beamer. It looks amazing on the trusty KTM. It is hot as a pair of balls covered in chili sauce right now. It is proper spicy. But the road that we're about to go on now is real nice. So today we're off to have a little biker brunch, as they say in Spanish. Also, we're going to go to Ducati Alicante. F***ing finally. I need to do up my damn jacket properly. Xavier, don't leave me. Don't leave me, I'm doing up my jacket. Xavier really wants to have a look at the Diavel. He's been seriously contemplating buying one of these. He's really interested in like the kind of sporty cruiser style motorbikes. Look at this town, it's like honestly something out of Rome. It's like an old Roman town up on the cliffs. I was so tempted not to wear any gear today whatsoever, but I knew you lot would be like, oh, you're not wearing any glass. That is not muy bien. Plus I thought if we're going into a Ducati dealership, it might be better if I walk in wearing full Dainese. They'll be like, oh yes, muy bien, Natalia. Hey bro, what the fuck is that? That's a cool ass bike. So I got the Dainese jacket, the Dainese boots, and the AGV helmet, so I'm going to be reeking of stracciatella, you know, when I go in, or spaghetti. I swear that sign says Virgin of Las Nievas. Look, Virgin. It's the Virgin of Las Nievas. Who came up with that idea for a factory? Oh, yeah, it's Virgin. Oh, Xavier's caning it. Palm trees, palm trees. If we can get in front of the Peugeot. We're going to go for it. We're going to go for it. Manliness, Xavier, manliness! I think I have a little bit more horsepower than he does. Casamar, menu, diario, banquetas y comedas y presa. Oh look, it's a Harley squad. Harley! With the monkey bars as well. Watch out for the cows. There we go. There's two bikes I really want to try. Frankly, I don't care about the Diavel. That's not my style of bike. I understand it's a cool piece of kit, but meh. The one I really want to look at is the V4, obviously. Also the 950 Hypermotard. Oh mate, you're fucking selling cherries, dude. Damn. So the Hypermotard SP. Love it in Spain. You can never really tell if they're going to be indicating off or not. It's like, am I going to turn off? You'll never know. Am I going to still indicate? Yes, I am. Cheers, fellas. Driving through Spain is a wonderful experience, but you have to be super careful on roundabouts. It's because, completely against all logic, the Spanish think that it's perfectly normal to be in the outside lane but taking the third exit. For example, they would be in this lane here, they'd be going around the roundabout, there'd be somebody in the left lane who wants to go straight, but they would keep going round. So that other person who wants to go straight would smash into them, basically, because the person who wants to take the third exit, so that'd be going left, is in the wrong lane, so it keeps going round and cuts them off at the exit. Brilliant! He looks good on that bike. I bought him that helmet. Oh, f***er duck, mate. I get why they said moderate to velocidad now. I completely understand it. Wow. So in Spain, when you see the blue sign, you got to know it is necessary to slow down. Mate, you just ran a red light. Very naughty. It's like one of their favourite pastimes here. It's like, oh, I'm just going to go just before the red goes to green. Muy bien. Hey, it's a ninjutsu! Yay! ZX6, an old one. The J1 model, I believe. Bad, right? Sit further back and bend your elbows. My ass is on fire. It's a good old bike. You love it. He said he likes it because it's like a Mad Max motorbike, which I kind of get. Oh, hell, mate. It is so hot right now. It's not outer temp 24, that is lying. It's like 30 million degrees. It's hot as fucking hell's arsehole. Oh no, Xavier, don't do it, mate. Because I have to do it, otherwise I look like a pussy. What a hoodlum. You've been naughty. Shade, shade. Thank God for shade. Please don't move, bus. Thank you very much. Shade. Oh, mate, Ducati Street Fighter, muy bien. There may be a V4 version of that baby boy coming out soon, guys and girls. Oh, Xavier, don't do it. I'm not as cool as you. Fuck's sake, buddy. So there, vamos. So in the live stream the other day, we were talking about doing a potential Duke Blade Spanish experience trip, where we would go for a couple weeks. You guys would come down to Spain, probably take the ferry to the north of Spain, so like Santander, Bilbao kind of thing. And then we would go around Spain on the motorbikes. I think that would be a bloody awesome experience, and we'll probably try to get in like a track sesh as well at Almeria, which would be, I think, pretty awesome. And we would just tent it the whole way, so like the only real cost is going to be petrol and getting to Spain and getting back to the UK. So let me know if you guys are interested in doing something like that in the comments. If I can get some like idea about who would be genuinely interested. Like, I don't want you guys to say, "Oh, I'm super interested," but actually you're never going to do it. And then I can look into costs and things like that. But I'd be genuinely up for that. I'd be super excited to do it. Aha, Ducati and Kawasaki and Dainese. Oh, cool, man. D'accord. Where? Ooh, that looks like a ZX6R. Not bad. That's super nice. Yeah. The Icon variant.
I don't know if really I love that or not.
Yeah.
Better that or that? Better that?
Ooh, I don't know.
Prefer?
That one is that's the standard. This is the standard. I don't know if that one is the S.
I prefer that for the preparation.
Yeah.
But I don't like this part, this front part. The front part for me,
Yeah.
the front part, and that is not beautiful.
It's cool, man.
For me, the front part is not beautiful. The front part is not this part is a macho bike.
Yeah. And this bit.
Part is a bicycle part.
He loves the sound of that bike. Super. Oh.